Italy is renowned worldwide for its incredible culture, architecture, food, and stunning landscapes. From the magnificent Roman ruins to the rolling hills of Tuscany, there's something for everyone in this beautiful country. But which cities stand out as the most beautiful? Here are the top 10 most beautiful cities in Italy. 10th place, Palermo. Located on the island of Sicily, Palermo is an intriguing mix of cultures and architecture. From the imposing Norman palace to the ornate Baroque churches, the city is a feast for the eyes. And of course, the food is amazing too. 9th place, Turin. Turin is a stylish and sophisticated city, with grand boulevards, elegant squares, and a wealth of museums and galleries. The city is also famous for its chocolate, so be sure to indulge in some gianduja while you're there. 8th place, Bologna. Bologna is a city of red roofs and medieval towers, with a vibrant atmosphere and a thriving food scene. The historic center is a maze of narrow streets and hidden piazzas, while the city's many arcades provide shelter from the rain. 7th place, Verona. Verona is a city of romance, with a stunning Roman arena, a beautiful riverside setting, and of course, the balcony where Romeo and Juliet supposedly declared their love. But there's more to Verona than just Shakespearean lore. The city is also home to some of the best restaurants in Italy. 6th place, Florence. Florence is a Renaissance masterpiece, with stunning art and architecture around every corner. From the towering Duomo to the world-famous Uffizi Gallery, the city is a living museum. And of course, the food and wine are as amazing as you'd expect. 5th place, Venice. Venice is a city unlike any other, with its canals, bridges, and magnificent palaces. The city is a work of art in itself, with every building seemingly more beautiful than the last. And of course, a gondola ride along the Grand Canal is a must-do. 4th place, Siena. Siena is a city of Gothic splendor, with a stunning cathedral and a medieval square that hosts the famous Palio horse race. The city is also known for its delicious cuisine, including hearty Tuscan stews and game dishes. 3rd place, Amalfi. Amalfi is a jewel of the Mediterranean, with pastel-colored buildings cascading down a steep cliff towards the sea. The city is famous for its lemon groves, limoncello liqueur, and stunning coastline. And of course, the seafood is some of the freshest you'll ever taste. 2nd place, Rome. Rome is the eternal city, with more history and culture than almost anywhere else on Earth. From the mighty Colosseum to the Vatican City, there's always something new to discover. And of course, the food is legendary, from pizza al taglio to spaghetti carbonara. 1st place, Positano. Positano is a dream come true, with its colorful buildings perched on a steep hillside overlooking the sparkling sea. The city is a playground for the rich and famous, but you don't need a yacht to enjoy its charms. Just relax on the beach, wander the cobbled streets, and indulge in some fresh seafood. Italy is a country of incredible beauty, with countless cities and towns that could easily have made this list. But these 10 cities are the ones that truly stand out as the most stunning and unforgettable. I hope this video has inspired you to start planning your next trip to Italy, and that you'll be able to experience the beauty of these cities for yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.